Every day, one factory creates over 1 billion of these candies. Welcome inside America's largest candy factory, running every single minute. One tiny candy, dozens of precise steps, 60 years of perfection.
This is where chocolate transforms into America's most colorful candy tradition.
Our journey begins on sustainable cacao farms in tropical West Africa. Expert farmers select only the ripest pods using time-honored methods. Inside each pod, 40 precious beans wait to become chocolate magic. Sun-drying for days develops the deep flavors chocolate lovers recognize. Only beans meeting strict quality standards continue their journey forward. Refrigerated containers preserve bean quality during their Atlantic Ocean crossing.
3 weeks at sea brings African cacao to America's eastern shores.
Arriving at New Jersey ports, beans clear customs, heading inland quickly.
GPS-tracked trucks deliver beans directly to the factory within hours.
Back it up slowly. 10 feet, easy.
The factory receives fresh beans every day, keeping production running smoothly.
Inside this spotless facility, technology and tradition create candy perfection.
Each bean shipment gets logged into our computerized inventory tracking system.
Only beans meeting strict standards continue to the roasting phase. Automated cleaning removes any dirt while protecting the delicate bean surface. Roasting at carefully controlled heat unlocks chocolate's deep, rich flavors. As beans tumble and roast, shells crack open, releasing incredible aromas.
Rapid cooling stops the roasting process at exactly the right moment.
Winnowing machines separate valuable nibs from worthless shells using air pressure. These pure cacao nibs contain everything needed to create milk chocolate. Stone grinders crush nibs into liquid chocolate, releasing natural cocoa butter. Friction and pressure create smooth, liquid chocolate from once solid nibs.
Computer systems add exact amounts of milk powder, sugar, and butter.
Conching for many hours creates the smoothness that defines quality chocolate. Notice the perfect smoothness, every particle now smaller than human hair. Tempering creates stable crystals, giving chocolates their signature glossy snap. Each chocolate center receives exactly the right amount by machine precision.
Cooling tunnels solidify chocolate in minutes, without rushing proper crystallization.
Automated systems release perfect chocolate centers without scratching or damaging surfaces. Computer vision rejects any centers with imperfections at lightning-fast speed. Approved centers now head to coating drums for their protective shell. Giant rotating drums tumble thousands of centers, preparing for sugar coating. Fine sugar syrup sprays onto tumbling centers, creating the first layer. Multiple sugar layers applied gradually over hours build protective thickness. Food-safe dyes transform white shells into M&M's iconic rainbow colors. Continuous tumbling ensures every candy achieves perfectly uniform color without streaks.
6 different colors produced simultaneously, each in its own dedicated drum. Natural glazing creates that signature glossy shine without any artificial chemicals.
After several hours, perfectly coated candies emerge, ready for logo printing.
Candies spread into single file, perfectly positioned for precision logo printing.
Each candy receives its logo in just a fraction of a second. Cameras inspect every single logo, rejecting any with printing imperfections instantly. Ultraviolet light dries the ink instantly without any heat or chemicals. Computers mix colors in exact ratios, ensuring every bag looks identical.
Gentle tumbling mixes colors randomly while protecting the delicate candy shells.
Climate control maintains perfect temperature and humidity, protecting candy quality constantly.
Laboratory testing verifies every specification before products receive final shipping approval.
Only after passing every test does quality assurance approve batches shipment.
This packaging line fills tens of thousands of bags every hour.
Digital scales measure each portion accurate to fractions of a gram.
Robotic arms fill multiple bags every second with perfect color distribution.
Heat sealing locks in freshness with airtight protection against moisture.
Metal detectors ensure absolute safety, scanning for any foreign contamination. Robotic packers organize bags into cases, sealing them for shipment worldwide.
Every case receives unique tracking codes for complete supply chain traceability. Finished cases flow continuously from packaging directly into climate-controlled warehouse. Workers carefully load pallets into refrigerated trucks for nationwide delivery journeys. This factory never stops, running 24 hours, meeting demand worldwide.
Refrigerated trucks depart constantly, beginning their journeys to stores across America.
Day and night, trucks cross America delivering fresh candy nationwide constantly.
Regional centers sort shipments, preparing deliveries for thousands of local stores.
Before sunrise, local deliveries arrive, ensuring shelves are stocked perfectly.
Store employees carefully arrange fresh products, creating perfect displays for shoppers.
For children, choosing their favorite is a moment of pure joy.
Dad, can I get this one?
Yes, sweetheart, that's a good choice.
One perfect candy, billions made daily, each one crafted with care.
Hey there! If you enjoyed this incredible factory journey, hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.